Great things in life don't happen overnight. They take time, patience, and belief. But if that's true, why do so many people give up just before success arrives? Is it because they don't see results right away, or because they stop believing in themselves? Today's story will answer these questions. It's about a boy named Rohan, and his journey will inspire you to never quit. Along the way, we'll also learn some new English words. So stay with me till the end. I promise, this story will be worth your time. Once upon a time, in a small village near a river, lived a 16-year-old boy named Rowan. His father was a poor carpenter who ran a tiny wooden shop, barely earning enough to survive. Rowan was not the smartest student in school, but he had one silent strength. He never gave up. Every morning before the sun touched the trees, Rowan woke up and ran by the river. His dream was to become a great runner and get selected for the district sports academy. If he succeeded, he could train like a real athlete, make his father proud, and one day turn their tiny shop into something big. But there was a problem. For 2 years, he ran every race in the village, and every time he lost. Second place, third place, never first. His friends said, "Rowan, maybe running is not for you. You're just wasting your time." But Rowan kept running. One rainy morning, he slipped on the muddy trail and hurt his ankle. Sitting under a tree, wet and in pain, he whispered to himself, "Maybe they're right. I try so hard, but I still lose. Maybe I'm just not good enough." At that moment, an old farmer walking by stopped and asked, "Why are you crying, son?" Rohan replied, "I run every day. I give everything I have, but I always lose. I think I'm wasting my time." The farmer pointed to a bamboo grove and said, "Do you know how long it takes for bamboo to grow? 5 years. For 5 years you water it, care for it, but nothing shows above the ground. Then suddenly, in just weeks, it shoots up 80 feet tall. Was it growing all of a sudden? No. Its roots were growing deep and strong beneath the soil." He looked at Rohan kindly and said, "Son, you are growing your roots. Don't stop now." Those words lit a fire in Rohan's heart. From that day on, he ran, not to prove others wrong, but to prove himself right. Rain or shine, hot or cold, he trained. He studied professional runners, improved his breathing, his timing, his posture. Step by step, he became stronger. A year later came the big race, the district inter-school championship. The winner would be selected for the sports academy. The field was full of strong city runners. The whistle blew. Rohan ran, not the fastest, but steady, focused, calm. He didn't panic when others passed him. He didn't stop when his legs hurt. He stayed in rhythm, and in the last 200 meters, something clicked. His body moved as if it was made for this moment. One by one, he passed the others. Finally, he crossed the finish line. First place. The crowd cheered. His friends shouted. His father's eyes filled with tears of pride. Rohan was selected for the sports academy. Years later, Rohan returned to his village. He found the old farmer resting under a banyan tree. Smiling, he said, "Because of your words, I didn't quit. I found myself. Thank you." The farmer replied, "I only gave you advice, son, but you chose to keep going. The strength was always within."